Yes. Season never start, but people don't dey move from one club to the other. Season never start. Some players say make dem increase their money if they want make dem remain for the club wey dey pay dem money. Season never start. We don dey see play team wey dey play other team for friendlies. Na this way I take welcome una to another ogbonge program wey all of us know, Sport Villa on top na lovely television station. My name still remain Taiwo Shoyebo. Today make you look at different things wey dey happen for the world of football. How e take dey happen? Make we start like this. In Pampe, e be like say Real Madrid get interest for that guy well. They say e be like say dem go like make e come join dem for Real Madrid. That guy na young child wey be say God bless am, God give am plenty talent for football. Make as him dey play, as him dey pass, as him dey score for PSG, dem say make him dey come do am for Real Madrid. Make we see how the thing go take dem say unveil whether he go comot for PSG go Real Madrid. You go let una know as the thing dey be. Make una join me to start fasting and prayer for my brother Rashford wey dey play for Man U. That our brother, that our player, that our lovely goal scorer go for surgery for age-long shoulder injury wey him get. I pray and people dey join to pray for you say Rashford, God go help you, your shoulder go heal well as they do the surgery for you, and very soon you go come back to come dey score for Man U team. Today, July 31st, Osimhen and Lewandowski dey go take eye for eye see themselves say okay na you dey Napoli wey dey score, me sef dey Bayern Munich I dey score. Today they get friendly, make una no miss that match. My people, Jack Grealish, Chelsea wan sign am, Man U wan sign. Man City sef put nose for the guy say e be like say you go come follow us play for this. No be now una go call us, no make later we go open our channel, our line for call. Make una no start to dey call now. As I dey talk dey go, Man City and Chelsea and even sef Man U say dem wan make Jack Grealish come dey play football for dem. Whether na Chelsea go buy am o, whether na Man City or na Man U, make we go let una know as the thing dey go. Aris Agbalaga, Chelsea #1 keeper before dey go Valencia now on loan. They say okay, you don try for Chelsea, make you go loan for Valencia, go dey do wetin dey keep for Valencia. Lionel Messi, we congratulate you again for that thing wey you do for your country. God no go do wetin good, no go leave you, no go leave your country wey you carry come for them. Lionel Messi of Barca enter Barca small play, people don't even think say he don come Barca go sit down come dey do wetin one side for them, but no, Messi comot for Barca again for Spain. He go Miami, go meet him family wey dem dey jollificate, dey enjoy their holiday and the pre-season. You know say if you wan talk better thing for football, you go do so that you go clear your throat. Alan, Chelsea wan break back for the guy o. Dem say dem no go gree. Alan must come Chelsea, come dey do wetin score for us, because yes, for us, for Chelsea, make Chelsea carry Champions League again, carry the league again, all the cup wey dey this world na im Chelsea wan carry. That is why the owner of Chelsea don decide say if na to break back to bring Alan to Chelsea, he ready well make Alan come dey play for Chelsea. Abraham, wetin happen? Chelsea wan sell you for chicken money, yet no club come say okay make we buy Abraham. Dem come slash the money. Say okay, if people no fit gree buy you for 40 million, any amount, maybe na 30, maybe na 35, maybe na 20, somebody people come buy Abraham comot for for Chelsea. Bye bye na him Varane dey sing from Real Madrid wey you come go Man United. He say Real Madrid, I thank una well well o wey na allow me play ball for una, but now na Man United I go dey play ball for. Na Man United sign me, na Man United jersey I go dey wear for next season. He come say bye bye coachy, bye bye players, bye bye management of Real Madrid. I don try for una and make una pray for me, make where I dey go make it better for me well well for Manchester United. Nwobi. Coach Benitez wey dey coach Everton now don say Nwobi, if you wan surprise me, if you wan make I dey do wetin dey play you well well, you go carry load for Everton o. No be small thing for you. You have to deliver. You must deliver. All of us must achieve something together for Everton. Nwobi wey be Nigerian striker and player, Coach Benitez don put load upon the player say me and you for this Everton, you must do well. You must carry better league. You must carry the league. We must carry cup. We must win together and achieve together for this season wey dey come so. No be small thing o. Lukaku, the pikin of Abramovich wey get Chelsea, dey beg im papa, im brother, player. Lukaku say please na uncle come back to Chelsea, come dey score for Chelsea again. We want you. I don tell my papa say make he sign you come back to Chelsea. Na so be the song wey Abramovich son dey sing for Lukaku, say please come back to Chelsea, come back to Chelsea. Lukaku, Chelsea fan and pikin of Abramovich, say please come back to Chelsea. We want you, he want you. All the Chelsea fans say come make you come join our team, carry league and Champions and other league wey dey. My people, Pogba matter, how you take see am? You wan make Man U sell am or make him still dey for Man U? Some say make him go jare everything dey play for us. Some say no, Pogba na better player. Pogba na better player. So make Man U no sell am, rather make dem add money, make give am money wey he wan make it for stay for Man U. We know, whether you know, make you know now say Pogba sef na some feeder team of Man U, him comot go Juve. From Juve now Man U buy am again. Now him say make dem increase im money if dem wan make e dey follow dem play for next season. Some say no, make e go. Some say no, make e stay. Well, for us here, we wish Pogba well. If they increase im money, make e stay for Man. If they don't increase im money, make him go where he think say im market go sell well, because football na market place where buying and selling, movement from one place to the other dey very very important. From this channel, we want to congratulate all the Argentine players wey win cup recently for them, and we say congratulations to Chelsea for the Champions League, and we say bye bye for now. My name still remain Taiwo Shoyebo.